Hey guys, after all the cold that we've had this year, there's going to be several plants that are going to need some extra attention, or some things you're going to need to know about. Behind me, this is fig ivy. A lot of people will let it grow up on brick walls, kind of like you see here at this house. All the cold temperatures, it really kind of freezer burned and kind of it burnt the outside layer. You can actually see underneath there, some of the fig ivy that was closer to the house actually was protected by the outside layer plus the warmth of the house. So there's not really a lot you can do to this without really damaging it. What's going to happen is that as things start to warm back up and the fig ivy behind it starts to kind of grow out, whenever you come through to do some maintenance and trim this up next time, you're going to get rid of that dead layer. So it's nothing to worry about. There's nothing you really need to do from a precautionary standpoint. You just need to give it a little bit of time, let the plant start to grow, take care of it when you trim it again. If you really can't stand the look, you could go ahead and trim it now. You're just going to know that it's going to have a thin look to it, and you're going to kind of have to give it a really good close buzz cut, if you will. So anyway, if you got any questions, feel free to ask. We look forward to hearing from you. Y'all have a good day.